Hey everybody! Okay, so welcome to Advanced Reporting again. Today we're going to be learning about how to hide columns within our report. So there's advanced reporting techniques, trying to display a table in your report, but sometimes there might be columns that you may need to hide. So stick with me. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to go and create a query. So query, new query, patrol, observation query. Okay, we're going to create a new one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to, in your data model filters, I'm going to go and add wildlife carcass. So I'm going to double click wildlife carcass and I'm going to add it here, and I'm going to click run to see the different results. Once you see the results, change the name and save it under the correct location. Okay, so now I've saved it, and now I know exactly where it is. It's under the species carcass mapping. I'm going to now add it to my report. So I go to reports, view reports, and here's my new report. So I edit it, and under outline I'm going to go and add this new data set. So right click, this is what you all know how to do. I go to where I saved it, I click finish. I can see the columns. I'm not going to be worried about that right now, so I click OK. And here's my new data set. So I click save just to make sure that it makes the changes. Now I'm going to drag this into my report canvas. Now I've already identified which fields I'm looking for, so I'm going to go ahead and click all the ones that are relevant to myself. Click OK. As you can see, it's been added, so I'm going to go ahead and change the format. So I'm going to go format, select the whole table, properties general. I'm going to change it to Arial. I'm going to select the top row. I'm going to make that bold. I'm going to make it silver. So these properties is where we are going to be doing a lot of the stuff. So I click the whole table and I can add a border. And I can change this to be more legible. And click save. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my table to highlight it. I'm going to select the column of number, and then here under properties there's this tab called visibility. So I can click visibility and I'll say hide element. So hide this column, and this is currently default for all outputs. I can also say for specific outputs here, which is what we're going to do. So in docx, so if it's a Word document and it's true, then hide it. If PDF, I'm going to make it false. So I double click, I click on the FX and I change this to false. If I know how to spell. So true means that if it's a Word document, hide this column. If it's a PDF, don't hide this column. And I click save. Okay, so just for purposes of this thing here, you can go ahead and right click, export reports. You're going to do it as a docx. You're going to follow the same process and do it as a PDF. I've done it for both on all dates, and you'll see now. Okay, so here is my PDF. As you can see here, there is the number field. And if you can see here on my Word document, there is no number field because it was true. So it would hide it if it's a Word document. Hope that helps, guys.